Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. As we are doing a little bit of cruising on this ever beautiful Wednesday morning. It's already like 50 some degrees. Today's gonna be 67. And come on, Mazda Mirage. Is this really happening right now? I can't tell. Yeah, I don't normally. Oh shit, I gotta pull over. Do I? No. Oh, there we go. No, I thought my microphone was falling off, but it's not. It's not. It's not bad. Let's see. Everything is, sorry guys, technical difficulty. Yeah. As long as shit is not falling off my helmet, I gotta change the little situation here. Didn't double check all my fittings, and now I'm running a little late, so I can't really spend time on that. We're gonna be all right. We're gonna hope for the best. Weird start to the vlog, my apologies. Is my boy gonna take a left quickly? Let's hope so. Look at him, his wheel's not turned, his turn signal not turned. Amateur hour. Amateur hour. There you go. Yeah, I could have easily taken off my helmet, put it back on 3 times. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. Makes me so happy. And like I was saying, I don't normally oh my goodness. I don't normally go to work on Wednesday. Wednesday is normally my work from home day, but we have a new person on staff, and the old boss required, or not required, but asked that I'm present for today's meeting in person, which is, you know, fine. Which is fine. What's happening here? Madness, pure madness. I'll pull over right here. Oh no. I'm gonna go right over here. In front of that guy. There's a cop right there, so I have to get on the fucking road right away. You know what I mean? Gotta get on the road and split away right away. I don't think that cop will stop me on the freaking highway for lane splitting before the highway, but you never know. Let's just get away really quick. This is the awkward, disheveled vlog. Alright, I have to lane split, I'm guessing. It's lane split o'clock. There's an accident ahead. Uh-oh. Accident. Where is it? Oh, it's so nice. What a beautiful temperature. I can't wait to be riding upstate in a temperature like this, you know? where you can just be basking. So where is this accident? I don't see it. Should be right here. Who knows? The most boringest vlog ever. I knew there's some people who are hanging back for no reason, trying to blend in like savages. I just don't like to ride the shoulder. Never been a fan as I ride the shoulder. Just a little bit. How's it looking over here? It's looking a little slow. Do I want to get off there? No, we'll get off here. Pass everybody on the inside. It's going to be sweet as fuck. You know, I'm not a car. That is why something like this works. If I was a car, this wouldn't work. Okay, all right. This guy giving me room? Maybe. There we go. That was gorgeous. Gorgeously done. Gorgeously done. Nice color. Yeah, we're not gonna make the slide, are we? Gotta make sure we're not going above speed limit of the speed camera. Gotta be in control. There we go. We're going straight, so this is fine. 3 cars in front of us. Why am I so anxious today? What am I freaking out about? It's like when things are good and I'm in control, I start freaking out. 59,483 miles. I keep telling people I already got 60,000 on this baby, but I certainly don't. I certainly don't. What a nice day. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to leave the office early, because I can work from home. I can work on my balcony with my little laptop. That's what I would have done today. Savagery. Fucking go, dickhead. Now we're gonna miss the next light because these guys are going so slow. Bro, why? Why are you doing that, you fucking asshole? What a jerk. What a freaking jerk. You gotta work together as a team. Everybody has to make the light, you know what I mean? Is there people doing construction here? Ew. There we go. Oh, right. I need a Tuesday spot. Or Wednesdays. Well, you can't park on Wednesdays over there, so I need either this block. Go ahead. Going? I need either this block or this block could be alright. There's some spots. Thursdays. Right over here. No. I'm too fired up. Must calm my ass down. Active driveway, no parking. Yeah. I could park right there. By that Jeep over there, whatnot. Park right here. Too many spots. Too many options. This fucking parking game sucks. Can I park right there probably too? Can I go in here? Is that possible? What days we got here? There we go. Tuesday, Friday. This thing is falling off again. So annoying. It's a cranky vlog. Damn, can't find parking for a motorcycle? That's a kakashka. We'll park by that Benz. The spot is okay. Anybody would be too upset if I plop my baby right here. And the Benz got plenty of room. Whoa, ahead of him. Okay. And I'm not at the front. There we go. Not so bad. Boom. And then we're here. That was the most frustrating vlogging experience ever, and it started with my silly microphone coming off. Anyway, it's gonna be all right. We're gonna be okay. Everybody ride safe. Thank you. Bye.